Hey everyone, Mick here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about something that can hold a lot of people back from getting in shape, and that's overthinking. Now, I'm an overthinker, and in a lot of ways that can help me when I'm trying to figure out problems or work things through. But when I'm starting something new, a lot of times it holds me back because I spend so much time planning, researching, and just waiting for the right moment to start. And it's not just me. I hear this from a lot of other people that I talk to about starting a fitness regimen, whether they're looking to lose weight or to start working out or to just build better habits. It is so easy to overthink or overcomplicate the process before we even get started. Too much time can get wasted by trying to figure out whether to start or how to start. And if you're doing any of these following things, then you might be holding yourself back. For example, obsessing over finding the perfect plan, researching or comparing diets nonstop, waiting to start until Monday or after the holiday or when the time feels right, or telling yourself that you're too busy or too tired to start, or thinking that you need to get the right clothes to start, or waiting to feel motivated, or not being able to start until you set up your music playlist. If you're doing some of these things, you're not planning or prepping, you're delaying. And before you've even taken one step, you've already created a ton of reasons not to. And I used to do this. And every time I used to delay starting something, once I started, I'd always look back on it and I'd say to myself, why did I wait so long? What was the big deal? Why did I delay this process? So here's what I learned. For me, overthinking creates hesitation, and action helps me build my confidence. The more I overthink things, the more I delay, and the more I delay, the harder it is for me to take that first step. But the reality is that fitness doesn't need to be this difficult. You don't need to tour every gym in your area before you start. Sure, you can check them out later if you want to, but in the meantime, you can start doing things at home, simple exercises to get you going. You don't need to buy the right clothes just to take a walk. Just throw on some sweats and go. You don't need to wait until Monday or after the holiday or when things calm down to start. Just start now. Just start with something small. You don't need to start a crash diet or overhaul your whole fridge just to start losing weight. Just start by cutting back your portions or picking one meal that you could just make a little bit healthier. And you don't need a 2-hour workout session that you do multiple times a week to get you started. Just pick a few exercises that you can do at home in 15 to 20 minutes and do that twice a week. Get started that way and build from there. The first step doesn't need to be big. It just needs to happen. So start small, keep it simple, and then promise yourself you're going to stick to it and build from there. Take all that time and energy that you spent thinking and use it for something. Take that short walk or do that workout, and you'll find that once you're in motion, it gets easier and you start building momentum. And then over time, you start building new habits that become a part of your life. And that's where the real change starts to happen. And over time, you're going to screw up every once in a while. You're going to miss a workout, or you're not going to eat perfectly every day. It happens to me all the time. But the important thing is to just know that it's not a failure. It's just a part of the process. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about being as consistent as possible over a period of time. So when these things happen, you just get back on track and you keep going. And here's a little trick that I use that helps me get started with something new that I'm thinking about doing, or it gives me motivation to stay on track and stick to my goals. And that is, I think about myself a year from now or 2 years from now, and I say to myself, how will I feel if I didn't do the thing that I was thinking about doing? And I also ask the question, how will I feel if I did do the thing that I was thinking about doing? Doing this helps me get started with a lot of things that I might be uncertain about, and it also helps me stay focused on my long-term goals. So here's your challenge. Do one thing for your health today. Could be a short workout, a small walk, one healthy meal. Whatever it is, even if it's small, just do it and move forward. So stop overthinking and start doing. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop wasting time. Just start. You don't have to be completely ready. You just got to be willing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what I had to say, click the like button, subscribe, remember to stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.